The Fish Bayou locks was a great tool in controlling the future flooding and going from a 6x6 box culvert in Frog Bayou to adding essentially a cut in the road with these new locks. I want to thank McKim Creed, especially Kimberly Cole, whose attention to detail and commitment to this project cannot go understated. This project was bid out in May of 2021. This project was constructed on time, making the total cost at $2.6 million.
This is a good first step to ensure that we have a way of draining and driving in this basin, but also want to be clear, because I know that this is a huge priority for virtually everybody here. Look, this is one step. We're not finished.
I hope that projects such as this one sets the tone for the continued example of the collaboration, the partnership, and the drive that it takes to get these things done. I can't let this morning go without thanking Kimberly Cole. She has been just such an integral part. You know, Glenn Shaheen as well. We started with GSA in 2005. It's now 2022. It's now McKim Creed, but I'm telling you, and Terry knows, it's taken a long time to see this to fruition.